Hello dear students, we are going to learn History Chapter 2, the earliest societies. You know that you have an idea about early human. How was he? He was ape-like a creature. He was not able to walk, stand erect. Slowly he improved himself. His physical changes made him to stand straight and move his hands towards to throw something. Then he changed himself. He learned many things: how to walk, how to pick up things, how to throw stones at animals and fruits, etc. Then gradually he improved himself. He learned many things. He learned to make tools and weapons. He learned to hunt animals. Slowly he improved and he learned many things. He was not able to stand and slowly he changed himself. So let us see in this chapter how he learned and made tools to hunt animals and grow crops, etc. Looking at the picture, you have an idea. How was the man? He was ape-like a creature. He gradually improved and changed into a human. So it happened millions of years ago. So a man improved gradually. He took many years to improve himself. So the time he changed himself is divided into 3 periods. That is known as a Stone Age, because he was only using stones for weapons and tools. He does not know how to use the metals and clothing, other things. So these 3 periods are Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age and Neolithic Age. Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age and Neolithic Age. Paleo means old, Meso means middle, Neo means new, Lithic means stone. So let us see now Paleolithic also divided into 3 parts. According to the evidences, proves that we get excavating things, which is a lower part is known as a lower Paleolithic, which is in the middle part of the layer is known as a middle Paleolithic, and which is the topmost part is known as a upper Paleolithic. This is according to the archaeologists divided into 3 parts, what they have excavated. Let us see the life of Paleolithic man. How we know his life? We know the life of a Paleolithic man according to the sources, the archaeological finds what we get. The skeletal, things made by primitive man, paintings, rocks, cave walls, these are the evidences we get, and this proves that about the Paleolithic man. And the places of Son River Valley in Pakistan, Upper Narmada region, Deccan Plateau and Athirambakam in Chennai. These are the places we get the evidences. Archaeologists study not only the things, they study about soil, climate, vegetation, etc. They confirm by observing today's tribal. The Paleolithic man was known as hunter-gatherer because he was hunting and gathering things. He lived in caves and rock shelters. He was a nomad. He was roaming here and there. He had no place to live in. He was searching for food and he was roaming all places. He survived by hunting, fishing, gathering things, whatever he got from the places. So he called hunter-gatherer. He has gradually improved, so he has learned many things. He has the ability to watch things, learn things, think things, understand, remember, innovate, become more useful for learning. And the animals' skin and leaves were the clothes for this Paleolithic man. And they made the tools using stones, bones, wood, horn, and etc. They did not know the metals, they only used these things for tools. They lived in a groups. A small group of people lived in it together. So what are the advantages? Let us see. The advantages of living in groups: they hunt large animals, too much of animals, and they spoil if they keep for many days. So they share with one another, they share their food. It also provides security against natural danger. They cooperated with one another, helped to develop new skills. No inequalities within the group. They all are equal. Their lifespan was only 20 to 25 years. Because of the dangerous things, he lived only 20 to 25 years. Stones. Let us see Paleolithic tools. Stone tools were made of two kinds. One is core tools, another is flake tools. What is the core tools? Core tools are made up of chunks of rocks. The pebbles, small size pebbles of rocks are made as a tool, and it is used for heavy work. Okay, like cutting trees and like that things. Flake tools. What is a flake tools? It is made up of sharp pieces whichever left over from the core tools. Cutting of the stones, pieces of stones. It is very sharp, so it is used for chopping meat, skinning animals, etc. Now let us see discovery of fire. This is the victory over nature, because he does not know earlier, he was afraid of fire. Then slowly he knows the use of fire. By accidentally he discovered fire. He saw first when the lightning happened and the trees were burning. Then in the beginning he was burning the fire continuously, because he does not know how to fire, so he keep some person to fire continuously. After few days he learnt how to make a fire. By rubbing two rocks he learnt to fire. Remains of ash is the evidence that of some sites led to conclusion that fire was known to them. First he saw fire when lightning struck trees, and he was feared, but he used that to scare away animals. He accidentally discovered fire and learnt various uses of fire by roasting meat, keeping him warm, and scare away animals. Let us see Paleolithic age in Deccan. There are some places in the Deccan that proves that there were evidences, like Pune, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. These are the places we get evidences of Paleolithic age. Archaeologists determined that due to heavy rainfall, animals like rhinoceros, wild dogs, and their remains were found at these places. Large number of tools have been found at places near river banks. Artifacts made from limestone found in these surroundings. Thank you.